Hi guys, so I just got here on the farm about 15-20 minutes ago, and well, today's not going to be a hunting day. It was a beautiful day and excellent for hunting, no wind at all, and yeah, 20 minutes later the wind is blowing. Check this next clips. Okay, so this wind won't help with hunting today, so we can drive back home and then I'm going to start sorting out my pellets for the next hunt, wash them and the whole process. If you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, and on my way back home, so see you there. Okay, so I'm back home and I'm gonna sort out my pellets a bit and see if it actually helps with accuracy. I've got 2 tins here. This one is still sealed. I'm gonna leave this just as it is, and this tin I've already opened. Move that one away. This one I've opened, and yeah, I'm gonna wash it first and then check for head size, weight, and sort them through that to see if I can get better accuracy on 50 or 100 meters. So if you want to see that, the whole process of washing and sorting out, stay tuned. Okay, so first I've put in a bit of dishwashing liquid, and then now I will put in low water, not cold or too hot, but low water. And that's enough. Stir it up a bit. Okay, let's go back to my table. Okay, back at the table. Now I'm gonna take my pellets, throw it in there. Look how dirty this tin is actually, and the sponge here. So I think it will be a good test to see if it actually works. Mix it up a bit. I think if this works, this will be exactly what I will do before each hunt. It will be exciting. I'm gonna fast forward this, and then you guys can see what is my next step. Look how grey the water is becoming because of all of the lube and everything that I think they put on the pellets while they are manufacturing it. So yeah, I think this can be a great test. This is the first time I'm doing it, so if you have any ideas or how I must do it, leave it in the comments below, and then I will personally get back to that comments. And thanks. Okay, this is the next step. All of the pellets is out, and then put this in the water here. Okay, so the next step, I'm just putting this on a towel here, and it's actually a white one, so my wife is gonna kill me. And just open it up a bit so it can dry. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload the next video.